guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing these Crayola Supertips washable markers with you guys. So let's get started. So this is the 20 pack and they can draw thick and thin lines, and there are really pretty colors in here which I'll be showing you in this unboxing. So let me just open this first. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There, we got it, and look. And they even had these like imprints to show what color is in the box, so it'll be easier for you to find. Oh my gosh, guys, look. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, so let me just read the back of the colors. So there is maroon, red, orange, sun yellow, yellow, grass green, olive green, turquoise, ooh, light blue, and there was blue, violet, lavender, magenta, pale pink, light peach, light brown, brown, gray, and black. So I'm going to be swatching these on my sketchbook and showing you guys the different colors and how they look like. So guys, now I have my sketchbook and the markers, so now I'm going to be swatching them and showing you guys how they look on paper. Okay guys, so the first color I'm going to be trying out is maroon, and it says Crayola Supertips on them. Now let me just swatch it and show you guys. This is a thin line. Wow, that is pretty cool, guys. I don't know about you, but I just love these markers. The next one I have is red. Here goes the red. They kind of look similar, but this one is more like a brownish, this one's more like a red. Okay, that's pretty cool. And the next one is orange. Wow, I just love these markers, guys. Look at the thick lines and thin lines. Like, let me show you guys the calligraphy you can do with this. Look at that, guys, that H. You can actually do calligraphy with these markers, which is really, really cool. And the next one is this sun yellow. Wow, that is pretty cool, guys. Next is just regular yellow. This reminds me of like a lemonade color. Next is grass green. Next is olive, and this actually looks like olive color, guys. And I know there's like a 50 pack and a 100 pack, but I prefer getting the 20 pack because there's every color you need. But if you want to go for 50 pack, you guys can go for it. Next is just regular green. Whoa. The regular green looks like a teal, like it looks so minty. That's amazing. Let me just move down a little bit. Okay. Next, we have my favorite, turquoise. Ooh. And here's a thin line. And this is really good for bullet journaling. This color is a light blue. Yeah, as I was saying, these markers are really good for bullet journaling if you're really into calligraphy and stuff. And And hint hint, my next video is related to bullet journaling, so make sure you stay tuned to that video. Next is blue. Pretty cool. Here we have violet. That's amazing. Next we have lavender. Really, really pretty. I don't know, lavender, the smell of lavender is just really nice. And look at the color of it, guys. I mean, you can write anything with this. Next, we have magenta. Whoa, that is like a mix of purple and pink. Next, we have pale pink. Pale pink is kind of like pink, but not exactly like pink. I think maybe in the 50 pack or 100 pack they have the regular pink. And when I saw this color, I was so excited. They have peach, because like peach is like a color that I think everyone should like need. Like say if you're drawing and you like drawing anime or all those things, you definitely need a peach. Next we have light brown. Whoops. And I just want to show you guys this, but look at their tip. Like it has a broad side and like and when it goes close to the like nib of it, it's like skinny and thin. So here you have a light brown. Awesome. Next we have brown. And we have last two markers left. We have gray. And last but not least, for calligraphy, I think we need this color, black. Whoa, this looks like a gray. And it kind of looks green. I don't know why. Let me try again. That's weird, but okay. So let me just show you all the swatches we did with our colors, starting from the top. Okay guys, so here are all the colors. Please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!